Yeah, so as you can see, my car is at the shop. You know, my buddy's taking a look at it. They're checking the meth system for me. For some reason, man, when you're running 100% meth, sometimes you have to take preventative measures. So what ended up happening is realized that my meth was evaporating a little bit too fast for my liking. And because of that, I had to take it back to, my guy to take a look at it. I explained to him what was going on. He told me to drop it off, and that's exactly what I did. And during the weekend, I went down to Miami. I grabbed me a couple of drag wheels and drag tires to put on the car. So yeah, that's what's going on. I got new drag wheels. It's Mickey Thompson Street R's being installed with a set of VMS wheels. I also have some race star wheels. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I might sell it, I might keep it, I don't know. I might keep it as an emergency just in case, God forbid I breaks my VMSs. I have a set of backups to be able to run on the track. I'll show you guys what it looks like eventually, but I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on with the car. Very, very excited. It's a great weekend. Hope you guys are having a good weekend as well. My team won, as you all know. I'm in Miami, so I'm a big fan of the Dolphins. And right now, the Dolphins are very, very impressive, man. But anyway, enough about the football talk. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'll be seeing you soon when the exhaust system comes in and when I get it put on. All right, guys, it's finally the weekend. I had a long week. I'm finally off. I'm heading to the car shop now to check on the car, see the progress of it. Hopefully it's done. I can pick it up today. But before we do that, it's a hurricane on the way, so I have to go get some water, fill the truck up with gas, and yeah. It's busy today. Everybody's trying to get to the grocery stores and get water, toilet papers and stuff. So right now, all the gas station I've been to, it's no gas. One thing about Florida, it's hurricane season every year, and every year people go crazy. But good thing about Florida is, for some reason, fortunately for us, whenever there's a hurricane threat, when it gets close to Florida, it always ends up making the curve, and we end up not getting hit. Worst case scenario, it'll be some heavy rain, but nothing major. So let's hope it stays like that and nothing happens and everyone is safe. But yeah, man, when I get to the shop, I'll show you guys how far along I am. Bad thing is I got here a little bit too early. That's the shop right there, but as you can see, it's still closed. So let me go ahead and run some errands, get some water, fill this tank up. As you can see, I'm almost on E. So I gotta fill up this baby, and then I'll come back in an hour or so. After trying a couple of times, I finally found a gas station that has gas. So about to fill this baby up. That's what was in the car. That's the old axle back. I wasn't too happy with it. This is the AWE axle back with a full catback X pipe from Corsa. This is it, man. We got a Z28. I think this a twin turbo or a single turbo build. I'm not sure yet, but one thing for sure is going to make a lot of power. These guys know what they're doing, man. I got an oil change. I changed the Procharger oil as well. Now, only thing left to do is to take these wheels off and put my drags on. And this right here is the man, the myth, the legend. Yeah, 10 times better, guys. It's a whole different car. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man. Listen. Whatever exhaust I had on the car before, trash. This is it right here. Yes, sir. AWE touring, man. That's exactly what I was looking for. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. That shit move now. Huh? I was doing 120 because you want to do 140? 140 this way? We'll do 140 this way? No, 140. All right, so let me back up some more.